Hello, Victor. It is nice to see you at the grocery store today.
Oh, hello, Emma. I am trying to buy some fruit for my lunch.
This is a great place to practice your food vocabulary.
I want to buy these red apples. Are they sweet or sour?
Those are Gala apples, so they are very sweet. The green ones are usually sour.
I will take 4 red apples then. I also need some bananas for my cereal.
The bananas are right here behind you. They look very yellow and ripe.
I like yellow bananas more than green ones. Green bananas are too hard to eat.
Do you know the name of this orange fruit? It is very healthy.
I think that is an orange. No, wait, it is a tangerine.
That is correct. Tangerines are smaller and easier to peel than oranges.
I will buy a small bag of tangerines for my sister. She loves them.
Don't forget to weigh your fruit on the scale over there.
Where is the scale? I don't see it in this section.
It is the silver machine next to the grapes. You need a price sticker.
I see it now. Thank you for your help, Emma.
You are doing very well with your pronunciation today.
I am trying to remember every word from our last lesson.
What is next on your grocery list, Victor?
I need to find some vegetables for a big salad.
The vegetables are in the next aisle. Let's go there together.
I want to buy some tomatoes and a large cucumber.
Look at these cherry tomatoes. They are perfect for a fresh salad.
They look very bright and tasty. How much is one box?
One box is $2.50. It is a good price.
I will take 2 boxes of tomatoes then. My family eats a lot of them.
Do you need any onions or garlic for your cooking?
Yes, I need 1 white onion and a head of garlic.
Here is the garlic. Be careful, the smell is very strong.
I like the smell of garlic in my kitchen. It smells like home.
Now we are in the dairy section. It is very cold here.
Yes, the refrigerators are working very hard. I need some milk.
Do you prefer whole milk or low-fat milk?
I usually buy whole milk because it tastes better in coffee.
Here is a 1-liter bottle of whole milk. Check the expiration date.
The date says it is fresh for another week. That is perfect for me.
I also need to buy some butter and some plain yogurt.
The butter is on the top shelf. There are many different brands.
I always buy the salted butter for my morning toast.
I prefer unsalted butter for my baking. I want to make a cake.
That is a great idea. What kind of cake are you making?
I am making a simple chocolate cake for my friend's birthday.
Then you will also need some heavy cream and some eggs.
The eggs are in that white carton over there. Are there 12 eggs?
Yes, that is a dozen. A dozen means 12 items.
A dozen eggs. That is a new and useful word for me.
Make sure none of the eggs are broken before you buy them.
They all look perfect and clean.
Do you need any cheese for your sandwiches, Victor?
Yes, I want some cheddar cheese and some sliced ham.
The cheddar is right next to the yogurt. It is a very sharp cheese.
I like sharp cheese with crackers. It's a good snack.
I prefer soft cheese like brie. It is very creamy and mild.
Maybe I will try some brie today. It looks very fancy.
It is delicious with some grapes or some fresh bread.
I think my basket is becoming very heavy now.
We still have a few more things to find on your list.
You are right. I still need to find the bread and the pasta.
The bakery is at the end of this aisle. I can smell the bread.
It smells like heaven. Let's go to the bakery now.
Look at all these beautiful loaves of bread.
Everything looks so delicious. I want to buy everything here.
You should choose one fresh baguette for your dinner.
A baguette is a very long and thin bread, right?
Exactly. It is a classic French bread. It is very crunchy.
I will take 1 baguette. Is it still warm?
Yes, it feels very warm. It was baked only an hour ago.
I also need some rolls for my breakfast tomorrow.
These whole wheat rolls are very healthy and full of fiber.
I will take 6 rolls. Can you pass me a paper bag?
Here is a large paper bag. Put the rolls inside carefully.
Thank you. Do they sell any sweet donuts here?
Yes, the donuts are in the glass case. They have chocolate and strawberry.
I will buy 2 chocolate donuts as a treat for myself.
You deserve a treat after all this hard studying.
Learning English makes me very hungry. My brain needs sugar.
That is a very good excuse to eat a donut.
Do I need to tell the baker which donuts I want?
Yes, you can say, I would like 2 chocolate donuts, please.
I would like 2 chocolate donuts, please.
Great job! You were very polite and clear.
The baker is putting them in a small box for me.
Now your basket is full of delicious things.
I still need to find the dry pasta and the tomato sauce.
Those are in the center of the store, aisle number 5.
I hope they have the spaghetti that I like.
They have many types, penne, fusilli, and thin spaghetti.
I prefer the long spaghetti. It is fun to eat with a fork.
I agree, it is the best for a traditional Italian dinner.
Let's find the pasta and then we can go to the checkout.
Here is aisle number 5, pasta, rice, and canned food.
There are so many boxes. I am looking for the blue box.
Is it this one? This is whole grain spaghetti.
No, that is not it. My favorite one has a yellow label.
Ah, I see it on the bottom shelf. Here it is.
Thank you. I need 2 boxes of this spaghetti.
Do you also need some olive oil for your cooking?
Yes, I need a small bottle of extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin is the best quality. It is good for salads too.
I will take this bottle. It is on sale this week.
On sale means it has a cheaper price. That is a good deal.
I love finding good deals. It saves me a lot of money. Now I need the tomato sauce with basil.
The sauces are in glass jars right next to the pasta.
Is this one with basil or with mushrooms?
This one is with basil and garlic.
Perfect. I will take 2 jars for my dinner.
Do you have some rice on your list too?
Yes, I need a bag of white rice. Is it in this aisle?
Yes, the rice is right here. Do you want a big bag?
A 2-kilogram bag is enough for my family.
This bag is very heavy. Put it at the bottom of your basket.
Good idea. I don't want to crush my fresh tomatoes.
You are learning to be a very smart shopper, Victor.
I am learning many new words today. Grocery shopping is a lesson.
Real-life situations are always the best for learning.
I think I have everything now. Let me check my list.
Apples, milk, bread, pasta. Yes, your list is finished.
Oh, wait. I forgot to buy some coffee for the morning.
The coffee is in the next aisle. Let's get it quickly. We are passing the frozen food section now.
It is even colder here than in the dairy section.
Look at all these frozen pizzas and vegetables.
Frozen pizza is good when I don't have time to cook.
It is very convenient, but fresh food is usually healthier.
I know, but sometimes I am very tired after work.
Do you want to buy 1 pizza for an emergency?
Yes, I will take the one with 4 cheeses.
That is a very popular choice. Everyone loves cheese.
Is this a large pizza or a medium pizza?
The box says it is a large size. It is enough for 2 people.
Then it is perfect for me and my roommate.
I am looking for some frozen peas for my soup.
The peas are in this green bag here. They are very cold.
Thank you. Frozen vegetables keep their vitamins very well.
I didn't know that. I thought fresh was always better.
Fresh is great, but frozen is a good second choice.
I am also looking for some vanilla ice cream.
The ice cream is in the last freezer. They have many flavors.
I see strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean is very tasty with fresh fruit.
I will buy a small tub of vanilla ice cream.
Be careful, it will melt if we stay too long.
You were right. We should go to the checkout counter now.
The checkout is near the front door. It is quite busy.
I will choose the line that has fewer people.
The line on the left looks shorter than the others.
Let's go there. I am ready to pay for my things.
Do you have your own bags or do you need plastic ones?
I have 2 reusable bags in my pocket. I want to be eco-friendly.
Here we are at the register. Please put your items on the belt.
I will start with the heavy items like rice and milk.
That is smart. The light items should go on top in your bag.
I am putting the bread and the eggs at the very end.
Hello to the cashier. She looks very friendly today.
Hello, I would like to pay for these items, please.
You should tell her if you have any coupons.
I have 1 coupon for a discount on the coffee.
Give it to her before she scans the coffee.
Here is my discount coupon.
She is scanning the items very quickly. Look at the screen.
The total price is rising. It is already $40.
Don't worry, you bought a lot of good food today.
Now she is scanning the bread and the donuts.
The final total is $52.10.
That is a little more than I expected to spend.
But now your kitchen will be full of healthy food.
Will you pay with cash or with a credit card?
I will pay with my credit card. It is faster.
I need to insert the card into the machine.
Yes, and then you must enter your secret PIN code.
The machine says approved.
That means the payment is successful. Take your receipt.
I always keep my receipts to check my monthly budget.
That is a very responsible habit, Victor.
I am packing my bags now. Bread is on top.
Everything fits perfectly into your 2 bags.
Thank you for this English lesson in the store, Emma.
It was my pleasure. See you in class next Tuesday.
See you on Tuesday. Have a great evening.